Okay, so welcome back to our spectacular project here that our team's been working on. Since the last time, and first of all, I got to make a comment. Obviously, every time we come back, it seems to be raining. We were just talking about that, but it doesn't rain all the time in Ottawa, trust me. Anyhow, that being said, this project has had its ups and downs. There's always challenges at things, but now we're starting to get to that point where you're starting to see what the end result is going to look like. And I think obviously the number one thing here is this kitchen, which not everybody does an outdoor kitchen for sure, but for those of you that do choose, it's a great spot for entertaining. You have people who are going to come be able to sit up at the bar kind of thing. You're going to have all the inserts from your stoves to your barbecues to your refrigerator. Everything has been in here and set to go. So really for us now, it's the countertop and the inserts. All the electrical and everything else is all set to go. And what's beautiful about it is the next time we come back, you're going to see it in all of its glory. This is a Unilock product from the caging on the inside, which is a really neat system. And it holds the brick in a different way, unlike having to mortar them. You're able to put it together. I'll leave that to you. Go to check out a Unilock video though for that. But we've been able to put this together, and it looks spectacular and goes great with everything else. Lots of dining spaces too. If we kind of walk through the rest of the place, since the last time, one of the big things obviously is the hot tub. For us, it wasn't in the last time, but now we got it in. Our electricians got it all set up. And one of the things that's really good here is the integration between it and the deck that's been completed. And one of the nice features is that it's right off the master bedroom. So you want to really relax. This is obviously an optimal place to do it. All the in-lighting, the pucks are on the stairs. So the lighting part of the deck is all set to go too. Obviously during the day, you're not going to see the lighting. So part of our final video will be to have all of the lighting set up and so forth. But all the electrical is done now. Really all that's left is the finishing touches of everything. That's going to be, the capping, as we say, the countertops, things like that, and that'll finish everything off. This has been a great project, one that our team has really enjoyed working on because it's spectacular. First time back here today in a few weeks for myself, and I even love, you come back and you think, oh wow, all the things and transformations that we've had happen. So looks spectacular. Can't wait to come back for the final video and really set off everything that the team's been working on. Thanks for peeking in and enjoy.